Hi everyone, welcome back, welcome back. Hooded Eyes here. We are ready to rock and roll. Let us get this party started. We are doing a 3-color eyeshadow quad with the Pat McGrath. And this is the Blitz Astral. So I am ready to do this. I'm going to do one eye, one set of colors, and the other eye, another set of colors. As we go, we will talk about it. And my left, which is your right, I am going to start with the purple, gold, and blue, or teal, whichever color you want to call that. I'll start with the teal in the inner corner, or blue. I have a question. If you were to win $1 million, what would you do first? The first thing you would do if you win $1 million from the lottery or some contest or anything, what would be the first thing you do? Let me know in the comments. And in the end, I will tell you what I would do first. If I were to win $1 million, the first thing I would do, I will tell you mine. In the end, please let me know what you would do with your $1 million. I have the teal down and now I'm adding the purple. And now I am going to do the gold in the outer corner. Please watch the complete videos for me, please, because that helps with my watch time hours on YouTube. My watch time hours are very low according to YouTube. So if you can watch it all the way through, I'm taking a brush just to fix the colors. My left, your right. Now, my right, which will be your left, I'm going to use green, gold, and blue. These are very pretty shades. These shades are very, very pretty. If you have this quad, play with it. The quality of this eyeshadow is very nice. Now you can't tell where the green starts and the blue ends, right? And that is what it is like. That's what you do when you do this. When you play with your makeup, you see what goes, what doesn't, what you like, what you would make what you can create. Get your palettes out. Let us create something beautiful today, because we are all beautiful in our very own special way. Let us create something beautiful. Now I'm in the blue with the brush and I'm just fixing. I did not wet my brush, so I am getting some fallout over here. Also, I'm going into the green. The green has a shift. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it has a really nice shift to it. Ta-da-da-da. I am back, and I'm wearing a hat, and this is my look. On my left, which is your right, I have these colors. On my right, which will be your left, I have these colors. They are gorgeous. It is beautiful. I love this little quad. Love it, love it, love it. If you have it, start using it again. It is beautiful. This is it. Tell me what you think in the comments. 3-color eyeshadow look and very hooded eyes. And we are ready to do the inspiration for today, so we can lift you up, lift me up, and we can go about our day and think a little bit more positive thoughts. Today we are coming into the section called Attitude Can Shape Your Life. They're right, they're right, they're right. This is where I'm reading from this book. We're in this section right there. And attitude can change your life. So true. I remember when I was growing up in Dominica, I have a book written about it. Information is in the description box. And I remember I wanted to take part in a pageant, and everybody I asked, because you need sponsors, they're like, we can't. I did not stop. I kept going until I find someone that sponsored me, and my name was Miss, wait for it, Moto Rewinder. I was Miss Moto Rewinder. To read more about that, go check out my book, Support a Black Sister. Today's encouraging, inspirational, motivational word is, it is worth £1,000 a year to have the habit of looking on the bright side of things. It is worth £1,000 a year to have the habit of looking on the bright side of things. Dr. Samuel Johnson. Meditate on that. Think about it, make it work for what it is that you want. Again, these are the colors that are on my eyes. The first thing I would do with my $1 million if I win the lottery or some kind of contest, I would help one of my sisters. I would help her accomplish one of her main dreams. That would be the first thing. The first person I would tell it to would be my husband. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying, please share my videos, please like my videos, please watch my video all the way to the end, because my watch time hours on YouTube is very low and I need to bump it up. So if you can watch the video all the way through, I'll be very, very happy, and hopefully my content is giving you a little joy and hope. This is today's look. 55 and rocking it sexy. You can too. Never be afraid to be who you are. Be who you are no matter what. If you're a happy person, be happy. If you're a joyful person, be joyful. But don't let anybody stand in your way and tell you shouldn't be what you want to be. Love yourself. Check my book out. The first one, second one is coming. It's coming. I'm working on it. It's almost there. It's almost there. But I want it to be so good that, I have to make sure it is right. I'm working on it. It's almost done. I'm getting the covers done and all of that stuff to make sure you help me promote it when it's out. It's going to be a really good read. The first one was a good read, but the second one is a fantastic read. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. And I'm saying, go live life fabulous at any age. Life is short. Don't let anyone stand in your way. Me, I am just having a ball over here. I have went through enough in life, so now I'm enjoying this. And no one is going to tell me I can't, because I am and I will until I die. Bye! See you in the next video. Please check out the next video coming tomorrow and share my videos. Share my videos. Bye! See you again. See you soon.